Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer, tutorial 12. Add a checklist. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for one school of business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way onto the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now let's go to Planner, click on Computer Science Videos. Let's go to a task that we have created from the previous tutorials. Let's click on Video 2. We know that this has a blue label as well as it being a very urgent task, henceforth the blue label and the bell icon. So let's click on Video 2, and now the purpose of this tutorial is to add a checklist. How do we do that? Let's go down to checklist, add an item, let's say Video 1. Let's just Command A to highlight, Command C to copy, enter, Command V, change 1 to 2, enter again, and all these will be shown on card. If I were to untick the box, they are no longer visible on the main screen. So let's re-click show on card. Let's go to add an item, Command V, 3, enter, and there we go. So what we can do is, once we start this task and we see a checklist, we can tick off all the tasks within that plan as part of the checklist that have been done. So I will click on 1, 2, and as we can see, these are now crossed off as we have completed those tasks within this plan. So we can now click on X, quit Google Chrome, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.